Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.